Hello everyone and welcome to Hem Money channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about an application called Crypto World. Crypto World basically is an application that allows you to earn free BTC. But before you can earn the free BTC, you need another application called Coinbase. A lot of you may know Coinbase, but for the ones that don't know, Coinbase is an application that allows you to store cryptocurrencies on their website, which is safe and secured. So if you don't have any account with them, there's a link in the description below where you can create one now, because you actually need this for you to earn Bitcoin from this app. And not just this app, every other app I'll be introducing to you in the future, and the ones I've already introduced before. Without not wasting any further time, I just want to show you guys the rating of the app. As you can see, the app is rated 4.3 and the app was created around July, so the app is still basically new. So you can just try as much as possible to download this quick and earn as much as you can earn fast before a lot of people start rushing onto the application. I'll be dropping a link below so you can download this app from the Google Play Store. But when you download it, you'll be seeing this, and this is the interface. When you see this interface, I want you to click on wallet. Basically, the wallet allows you to add your Coinbase account email to the application, and when you do that, the application will automatically send you a confirmation in form of fractions of Bitcoin to your Coinbase account, just to verify your Coinbase account. And I'm going to be showing you proof of that now. I go to my Coinbase account, and as you can see here, they sent me some a very little fraction of BTC to confirm that I received payment on the account and I'm ready to go. And then once you have that, just go back to the application and press new game, taken to the page where you can actually play. But before that, you get an advertisement, and then it will show you level 1 target score is 1000, and you'll be shown a colorful screen full of letters. And I just want to explain this this part of the application to you. As you can see, you have different colors and then you have different letters. Basically, it's like Scrabble. You just try and make words out of the whole thing, and you earn a point, and those points at the end of the day translate into fractions of Satoshi. So basically, and I just want to point out something. These colors have different values. You may think they did it just to be colorful. No, these colors has different values. Like the pink one right there is the value of 25 points, and the next one is the blue. The blue has 20 points. The yellow has 15 points. The red has 10 points, and the green has 5 points. So basically, the juice is the pink. If you try and have a lot of pink in anything you're trying to farm, you will earn more points. But basically, as you can see here, how many pink do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically, they will never put a lot of pink in anything for you. So, but a lot of greens, obviously, because it's the least valued among all of them, so that's not a surprise. So this box right here is shows you the level of where you're actually playing, and then you see that every time you try and make any words, you just click submit, so the done changes to submit, and then it gives you points. And then basically comes up when you click on one word and allows you to change a particular word. From experience, if you click on A and you click on change, it will change it to the nearest letter after A, which is B. So you should know that quickly so that you don't just use it anyhow. And if you finish it, you have to basically use real money to get more of that. So use it wisely. And there's another one. Yeah, so these ones are very simple. You have your score showing you your present score, and this is your goal that you need to, the number of points you need to get for you to be cleared of this stage to move to the next stage. So it's good to always know these things so that you know what you're doing, and the longer the words you're matching together, the better the higher the point you're gonna get. And you should always have that in mind, and you don't need to be scared of it, because I'm also playing it, but I'm not really good with words. As you can see, I'm just forming like 2. The highest you ever see me form there is like 4, and so I just try and play as much as I can play, and you'll be surprised that it actually helps you a lot to increase the number of words you actually know. So basically it's 2 in 1. So one of the best app I've ever come across. So that's just about it, and I'll be showing you a proof of payments that I got from this app in my Coinbase account. So but before that, if you like this kind of videos and you like the content of this video and you want to earn more cryptocurrencies or any PayPal money, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to also turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified anytime I upload any video on my channel. So with that being said, I'll show you how to withdraw money from this application. So basically, after I lost level 4, not surprisingly, just click on wallet again. Once you click on wallet, it will bring you to this interface, and then all you just need to do is just to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you'll be brought to this page, and you can see from this page it shows you the number of Satoshi you have. It shows you the maximum number of Satoshi you can claim, and it also shows you your referral bonus. Please guys, I'm going to be dropping my referral code in the description below. Please help me out by using my referral code. Thanks a lot in advance. And also it shows you the maximum referral bonuses you can get, about 20%, and it shows you the claim button where you can claim your fractions of Bitcoin. And also you can see lifetime Satoshi claim. For me it's a 0 as at that time, so that is it. And so you just basically press this. Once you press this, you will have this little box coming up saying that claim your whatever amount of Satoshi that you're trying to claim. But for me it is 118 Satoshi. So to prevent people spamming, you can only claim once every 3 days. So after every 3 days, you can only claim once every 3 days. So, and then just press the yes of course button, and then it's going to roll a little bit, and then your Ether is on the way. Please check your email to show you a proof of that. Cancel this, and then you can see they gave me 0.000012 BTC. So it shows you that the app is legit, is paying, and you can do as much as possible after every 3 days. You don't need to just stop at 1,000. When you get to 1,000 Satoshi, you can keep having a lot of Satoshis, and every 3 days you just keep withdrawing. If you do this religiously, after a short while you'll be happy with the amount of free BTC you've already put into your Coinbase account. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more ways to earn Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies without any form of investment, click on any of the 2 videos showing on the screen. Please share, like this video with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscription button and turn on the notification so you will know anytime a new video on any cryptocurrency or receiving PayPal money is uploaded on Earn Money channel. Thank you so much, and remember to always stay positive.